Obviously, the great things about windows is they let lots of air and light in your home. So do skylights.
Oh, they're a beautiful addition.
Well, you know what? One of the great things about a skylight too, and this one's from Velux, this one is actually solar powered. So the great thing about that is that if you want to put in a skylight after the fact, you don't have to bring an electrician through. You can just, put one in, and I'm actually putting these in my new house. And one of the things I'm super excited about is I did one of these solar skylights over my stairwell.
Yes.
So you can imagine when it's really hot outside, I can just open up that skylight, and then the air is going to circulate right through the house, which is obviously amazing. And did you know that the air inside our homes is 2 to 5 times more polluted than the air outside our homes?
We do talk about it quite a bit on the show because we're always trying to get people to be healthy with their air, their interior air, but it's a good reminder.
Yeah, and so it's funny because in the olden days we had such drafty homes we didn't have to worry about it. But now we're being so smart and using great spray foam insulation and great windows. Now we're trapping the air. So some new homes are putting in these HRVs, these systems that circulate the air and bring fresh air into your homes.
Yes.
If you don't want to invest in that, invest in some great windows you can open, some skylights you can open, and then you're getting all that air in. And a skylight that is the same size as a window actually lets in 2 times more light because obviously it's on the roof.
That's right.
So it's a great addition to your home.
Good. Okay.